Hello everyone, I'm Shraddha Lakshmi from first year MCA Department of IT at Kannur University. Today I am going to present on JSP Actions in Java. JSP is an important part of Java web development. Let's start with the basics. JSP stands for Java Server Pages. It is used to create dynamic web pages. It combines HTML and Java code. JSP runs on the server and is converted into a servlet. This helps in generating dynamic contents. JSP actions are special tags used in JSP. They follow XML style syntax. These actions are executed at runtime. They help perform tasks like including pages or handling data. They reduce the need for writing Java code inside JSP. JSP actions make code simple and clean. They improve readability of the program, help in reusing components like headers and footers, support working with JavaBean CST, and reduce use of scriptlets Java code inside JSP. There are several JSP action tags. The most important ones are useBean, setProperty, getProperty, include, forward, param, plugin, etc. We will look at each of these one by one. First one is JSP useBean tag. This action is used to create or locate a Java Bean object. If the object already exists, it uses it. Otherwise, it creates a new one. It is the first step in working with Java Beans. Next is setProperty. This is used to assign values to a bean. It sets the value of a property inside the object. Helps in storing user data like name, age, etc. GetProperty action is used to retrieve values from a bean. It displays the value on the web page. Works together with setProperty. The JSP include action includes another JSP page. It happens at runtime, useful for adding common parts like header or footer, and also helps in code reuse. The JSP forward is used to forward requests to another page. Once forwarded, current page execution stops. Used for navigation between pages. The JSP param action is used to pass parameters. It is used along with include or forward. Helps in sending data from one page to another. The plugin action is used to embed Java applets. Applets are rarely used in modern applications, so this tag is not commonly used today. Now let's discuss about JSP actions versus directives. JSP actions works at runtime while JSP directives work at compile time. Actions are dynamic but directives are static. Syntax is also different between them. Now before going to the example, let's see where exactly does JSP code run. When you write JSP code, it runs inside Apache Tomcat server or any JSP supported web server. First, you write JSP file. Then, when browser opens, Tomcat receives request. It reads the JSP file. Then, JSP converts into servlet, which means server changes JSP into Java servlet code automatically. Then, Java code runs inside Tomcat server. Finally, browser only sees final web page output. Now let's come to the example. You write JSP file, Tomcat receives the request. First we create an object using useBean, then we set value using setProperty. Finally we display it using getProperty. This shows how JSP actions work together. Advantages of JSP actions are easy to understand and use, reduce Java code in JSP, improves code readability, and supports reusable components. JSP actions have less control compared to servlets, requires basic knowledge of Java, and sometimes slower than servlets are the disadvantages of it. So in conclusion, JSP actions are very useful in web development and they simplify coding and improve structure. Thank you.